Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I show you the real fixes for the command prompt opening and closing instantly on Windows 10 or Windows 11. These steps comes directly from Reddit users who said these methods actually fixed the problem for them. Reddit users also discovered that a hidden scheduled task on OpenCMD for a split second. To check this, you just need to download the Microsoft Auto Runs tool. You just need to open up Chrome and search auto run for Windows inside the official Microsoft site and select download auto runs and I click on the downloaded file and select extract to. After the extract done, I click on the auto runs and select run as administrator and select yes. In here you just need to look at the logon tab and scheduled task tab. If you see anything suspicious or unknown, then disable it just by unchecking them. You can same thing in scheduled task tab. Scroll down and look for anything suspicious, and you just need to uncheck. Yes, as you can see, description nothing is listed, and the publisher nothing. I'm gonna uncheck that, and we just need to find out if we're going, guys. So after doing this, it's closed up here. And this fixed the issue instantly for lots of people. And the final step, you can go to search menu and type Windows Security, click on open it, select the virus and threat protection, and select the scan options, and select Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan, and select scan now, and select scan option. And this Microsoft Defender antivirus offline scan will take some time, and your system will be restarted, guys. So select the scan option and start it. And after this scans gets done, and that's it. These fixes have worked for many users across Reddit, so try them one by one. If this helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more Windows fixes. Thanks for watching.